Here in Volvo Construction Equipment, we are a global company. And here in Shippensburg, we produce the wheel loaders as well as compaction equipment. And we're doing some final assembly operations on excavators and haulers. We started with CLOOS back in the 90s because they provided a one solution system. And ever since then, we worked together to solve our problems and really collaborate and not just be a customer and a supplier relationship, but a true partnership. One of the first tandem operations we implemented here in Shippensburg with CLOOS's help was with our compaction drums. We had a large range of models, and with each size we had to do a new setup. And with CLOOS's solution, the robot was able to adjust to each size and diameter of drum without us having to touch it from an operator's perspective. That was super helpful, reduced our setup times, and really brought high quality for reduced manual weld time.
At Volvo Shippensburg, we try always to do the things in the right way. We try to keep with what the right intent, what's the end goal, and be agile to adjust to what are the end result and our customer needs. Volvo Construction Equipment Shippensburg is one of the biggest employer of the area, and we play a very important role in the community. We have a global presence in Shippensburg, but also we bring new technologies to the area. So we are well connected to the society and the community. So our collaboration and our needs here are well integrated to the society needs and also how we work with the local community. The automation brings us an interesting shift in the competence required to produce our machines. We're now looking as well to the integration of the digitalization and the automation during the welding process. So upskill our current workforce and bring in new skills will be the shift that we see as we automate our internal processes.
It's pretty cool to see the transition from all the manual labor that we had to do to making our jobs easier, but still knowing that I have job security because there are some things that the robots can't do.
So our newest weld system combines a CLOOS robot and an AMR. So as the CLOOS robot is welding one part, an AMR is loading the opposite side with the next part. So when the first part is finished, the CLOOS robot will rotate and be ready to start welding the next part, completely eliminating any setup time we have.
Adding the CLOOS system into our fabrication department was a big help. Also with the AMR to load and unload, we were able to walk away, not have to watch it, and the weld speed on the new CLOOS robot is so much better than what we've had in the past. It's actually welding faster than what we can build parts. With the old system, we couldn't run lights out. With the new system, we are much able to run lights out. Within the first week of us using the new system, I could tell a huge difference with the weld speed and the quality of the welds coming from this new system.
That thing is absolutely phenomenal. Been doing this almost 20 years, and I've never seen a robot weld better than that one.
We have had a lot of really good experiences with CLOOS and working with those subject matter experts, and they have provided many good solutions for us here in Shippensburg.
It's been over 25 years we've been working together, and that partnership is helping us in our automation journey. We have been investing in automation in our site with a roadmap to achieve a higher level of automation from where we are today. So automation is key for us to be successful in our North America production.